In precision manufacturing, measurement integrity determines product performance. If you can't validate the part, you can't ship the part. Optical comparators remain a trusted inspection tool, but traditional systems often struggle with surface lighting, image clarity, and efficient part setup. The HDV250 builds on the optical comparator workflow with a modern digital readout and high-resolution camera, replacing the glass screen with a monitor while maintaining precise crosshair-based measurement. Integrated LED ring surface illumination delivers clearer edges, better contrast, and improved visibility across a wide range of part finishes, helping operators measure faster, more accurately, and more consistently in a compact, floor-ready system. Results are faster inspections, removal of human variability, full digital traceability, and quality assurance data you can rely on for compliance, reporting, and customer confidence, all at a price point accessible to small and mid-scale operations. Backed by over 140 years of metrology expertise, the HDV250 brings big system performance to the real-world shop floor. Starrett HDV250, engineered accuracy delivered with confidence.